ver todo lo que hay. Disimular, así el problema y la duda no nos ven pasar. El que se enoja, mi amor, pierde un turno y se baja en esta estación.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप सब अच्छे होंगे, खुश होंगे, मज़े में होंगे। आज मैं जा रही हूँ एक नई प्रॉपर्टी देखने जो कि रेडी टू मूव इन है काइंड ऑफ, क्योंकि दिवाली में वो पोजेशन दे रहे हैं। ईशा हाई लाइफ। हल्की हल्की बारिश भी हो रही है, जल्दी जल्दी चल रही हूँ। सो या इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू माई चैनल, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स। उनको भी ज़रूरत हो सकती है फ्लैट की। तो चलिए चलते हैं, लेट्स गो। So here I am guys at the property at the location. This is Isha High Life. So ये है तिरुमला शेट्टी रोड पे वाइटफील्ड। Let's see अंदर देखते हैं क्या है। So how many blocks are there?
It's like a single block with 16 independent units.
How many floors?
13 floors.
G plus 13.
There's no ground floor. It starts from first floor itself.
Okay. And what is this?
Commercial G plus 4.
Okay.
The grocery, supermarket, restaurant and medicines.
So this is included in 2.5 acres?
This is 3,500 square feet.
Okay. And where would be the clubhouse?
Proposed amenities on the terrace.
Okay.
Cafeteria, bus gallery, open theatre, clubhouse for indoor games, AC control, jacuzzi sitting, sit-out area, yoga deck area, kids play area. One more we do have in the ground floor. Open gym, closed gym, which is AC control. Next to we do have elevated swimming pool. Below it for washrooms and dressing space. Opposite we do have closed like party hall, AC control. We do have one more open party hall, and the remaining place is not yet decided, but planning to provide co-working space provision. Coming to the ground floor amenities. Back side you do have closed badminton court, senior gym, senior sit-out area, yoga deck area, half basketball court, skating ring, sand pits, cricket practice net, pets lawn, and again senior sit-out area.
Okay, senior sit-out area and badminton, all outdoor activities are here.
Yeah, it's on the ground floor.
Ground
Which is
floor.
closed.
Let's have a look at the model flat. This is 2 BHK or 3 BHK?
This is 3 BHK with 2 toilets.
3 BHK,
Similar to the
2.
modern unit.
Okay. And what is the dimension of this hall?
1421, 26.8 into 11 unit.
26.8.
8 into 11.
Okay.
You get one balcony in living, 5 into 11, it's slight change in actual unit.
Okay. 511.
Right now it is 5 into 8, it becomes 5 into 11.
Okay. This is the open kitchen.
Open kitchen and this comes with utility.
ओके, साइज़ तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, हॉल डाइनिंग का भी और किचन का भी। ओके, यूटिलिटी इज हियर।
If you want separation wall, we will give separation wall.
Okay.
Open.
ओके।
That is the second bedroom, which comes with again balcony.
Okay. This is a separate balcony.
Independent.
Okay, in 3 BHK 2T, there are 2 balconies as well.
3 balconies.
अच्छा, 3 balcony. Okay.
One with living, one with master bedroom, the other with the second bedroom.
Okay. 3 balconies. What is the overall dimension?
1421.
Okay.
It's full common washroom.
And how much is the carpet area?
It comes around like 960 to 980 in between, 70% and 30%
Okay.
UDs.
This is guest bathroom, common one.
Common washroom. This is third bedroom, like it becomes 10 by 10 in the actual unit by reducing the second bedroom 1.5 feet.
अच्छा, this we can customize also.
It is actually done, ma'am. Like this was our older plan.
Okay.
Since we did few changes, we can't change model it, so we'll explain the clients. And here we'll get hand wash provision.
Hand wash, okay, here. Hand wash area.
So master
And this is a
bedroom, by
master
default
bedroom.
You will get wooden flooring.
Okay.
If you don't want, you can switch to regular tiles.
Okay.
Which comes with attached toilet and attached balcony. Here the size would become 11 by 15. Right now it is 12 by 13.
This would be 11 by 15. Why?
11 by 13.
Why? It would be reduced.
There the kitchen got increased by 1 feet since we're increasing the third bedroom. If you look at
Okay.
the other options like 1539, which is again west facing unit.
Okay. One. And carpet area is
960
70%.
to 980 in between, 70%.
This hall is spacious. You told there that there is only one block, but in total there is 16 block.
But generally blocks, how do we consider? Let's say you got 4 units.
Okay, and there is no common wall in
There
any
is
of
no
the.
common wall in any of the units.
And there are a 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 2 BHK smart means it
like
is
1.5 BHK.
okay, and 2 BHK smart 2 okay. 3 square feet difference, 841 and 844.
Yeah.
So this is the complete layout with series type facing in SBA. SBA is nothing but super build up area. So इसको देख के भी आपको कुछ आइडिया लग जाएगा. So yeah. And 3 BHK.
4 dimensions.
Okay.
1421, 1482, 1478 in east facing.
Okay.
1465, 1465, 1539, 1571 in west and north facing.
Okay.
Carpet area excludes balconies.
Okay. Carpet area is excluding
Excluding
balcony.
balcony.
And this is the largest dimension,
Which is right
1500.
now available.
Okay. On which floor it is available?
We do have in 5th floor, 8th floor and 12th floor.
Okay. And what is the UDS you have given?
30% UDS on the super built-up area.
Okay. In total, how many units are remaining out of 208?
25 to 30.
Okay. Exclusive amenities. And which khata it is?
So E-Khata.
E khata.
E-Khata.
A or E?
E.
E khata. Okay.
I know whether the property is here, it should be converted into E-Khata as per the government rules.
Okay.
So they are facing problems over there. But fortunately, it's by default.
About water?
Right now, we do have 4 borewells. One
Okay.
borewell water we are using, sufficient water we are getting for our and curing purpose for the construction.
Okay. In the map, here it is showing only one
That's
entry and exit.
Like this will be the main entry, which is northeast entry for the overall project.
Okay.
It goes into the basement cellar.
Okay.
Then you got like residential cellar.
Okay.
Then ground floor. Exit it comes from here.
Okay. Here they are not.
Here
showing.
it was a printing mistake. so
Okay. And which highway you told?
National Highway 648.
648.
648. You probably heard about STR.
STR. Yes, yes.
Which is around 6 kilometers. You can access STR and airport you can reach by like 40-45 minutes.
Okay. And my nearest metro is Kadugodi
Kadugodi
Tree Park.
Metro and Kadugodi Metro. Which is like
Four
both are
approximately 4
kilometers.
kilometers. Okay. One thing, they are giving possession by March 2026, not in Diwali. There was some miscommunication. In December 2025, that is December this year, they will give for interiors. Means you can take the measurement and keep your interiors ready. In March, they'll give the possession. OC इनका February 2026 तक आ जाए. So इनका जो largest dimension है, which is 1539 square feet, उसका price आ रहा था 1.3 CR approx. और आपको March next year तक मिल भी जाएगा. तो I think it's not a bad deal. Overall 2.5 acres में है, 208 units. So you can come and visit and share your views. So ये था आज के vlog में. I hope you liked it. अगर आप कुछ जल्दी में देख रहे हैं, लाइक आपको चाहिए रेडी टू मूव इन और काइंड ऑफ रेडी टू मूव इन जो जल्दी आपको नेक्स्ट ईयर तक मिल जाए, देन दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द गुड प्रॉपर्टीज़। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।